Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shakil Samai, and in this video, I'm going to go over my 1 minute scalping strategy that I use for the New York Open, either on NASDAQ or US 30. So if you're trying to find a strategy that tells you exactly when to buy and sell, this is going to tell you exactly where to buy and sell, where to put stop loss and take profit. And it's very easy. It's very quick and very easy to understand, as well as highly profitable. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to take you guys through the entire setup of basically the learn the buy setup, learn the sell setup, backtest the strategy, and a bonus. Now, with that being said, guys, understand I have proven results for entire month for you guys, right? So I'm going to show you guys the entire month of March, every single trade as well, so you guys can see for yourself. I've been using the strategy and it's highly profitable. So let's go right into it, guys. First of all, I'm going to explain to you guys the ideal setup. Before I go any further, please do subscribe and like this video, and don't feel shy for the comments, guys. Feel free to actually drop your comments down below, as I can interact and answer some of you guys' questions. Now, with that being said, guys, the first step of that deal setup is to understand that when the 3:30 in South African time, so the New York Open, the 1 minute candle, once it opens and closes like here, right? I box it off from the high to the low. Box it off. This is the buy setup. Okay, guys. Once it's done, wait for a clear breakout. As you can see right here, a clear breakout, guys. A clear breakout, right? Outside, it's showing you that look at it wants to continue going higher, meaning breakout close outside the box. The next step is understand you want to wait for a retest and entry, guys. A retest and then you're gonna enter. So you're gonna wait for a retest when it breaks out the range, and you're gonna enter for 1:3 or 1:4. So as you can see right here, market breaks out, retest, you enter over here, stops right in the middle of the box, right? And you take it for 1:4. That is the ideal trade setup for a buy one. Now, again, guys, I'm going to go over this for you guys on the live market, right? And go over examples for you guys. Just stay with me, right? This is very easy, but highly profitable. Like, I'm going to show you guys the results. And continue for the sell, for the ideal sell setup. Understand the first step again is the New York Open 1 minute candle. You're going to box from the high to the low, right? And then you're going to wait for a clear breakout. Since it break to the downside, it shows you the bearish direction. You want to continue the direction, right? The next step is to simply wait for a break and retest. As you can see right here, the market broke out, retest over here. You can see nice and clear retest and drops of 1:4. Now, I'm going to take you guys onto the market and show you guys exactly how to do it. But before I go there, I want to show you guys as well some of the results that can be really, really amazing to see for you guys, that this thing works. And it's not just based off, a simple thing that I pulled out on my backside. Honestly, guys, it is backed by results. So please do give me a like. And also, again, if you haven't joined the free group, please do join the free group. The link's in the description if you want to learn more and get my free setups when I use the methodology every single day. So I share basically my analysis every single day using the strategy in the free group. The link's in the description. Feel free to join and follow me on Instagram for more updates. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this entire month, you can see I start off the month with the win 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%. And we're going to go over this, guys. You can see the dates over there. I'm going to go over everything. You can see the dates there, the pair, the New York session, and you can see I'm using the PR, this is precision break and retest strategy, right? Buy, win, beautiful. When I won, I win 4. When I lose, I will lose 1. So they are losses. I want to share this with you guys, right? There are going to be losses, but the main thing is to ensure you're using good risk management. Ensure you're risking 1% to make back 4% per trade, and that's going to be it, guys. You can take 1 trade per day, and this is going to be it. Okay, guys? So you can see there, very clear, clean cut. For the month, I've made a 31% return. 31% through all wins and losses. I had no trade days, losses and wins, and still I came out 31% on return of just risking 1%. So if you know 31% on $10,000, that's $3,000. 31% on $100,000 is literally, you can think to yourself, that is $31,000, guys. It's insane, right? It's magnificent, guys. So I want to take you guys through the entire thing on the market as well to show you guys how I actually applied, so you guys can get a better understanding. Okay, guys. So right off, let's get into it. So I'm going to show you guys an example of winning trades, losing trades, and I'm just going to show you guys an example. Let's start off with a losing trade, right? So the possibility that can happen on the market today, for instance, on New York session, here you can see the market opened. There we go. There's the open, and this is a trade I actually have taken today. I actually taken this trade, and you can see it in the free group. Very transparent, guys, because the strategy does work over time. You just need to ensure you're following risk. They are box that off, and I waited for a clear break to the upside or downside. As for this one, you can see it just literally broke up. If you look nicely, it closed above. You're going to see right now. Patience, as you can see right here, market still holding, and we're going to get the nice break. There's the break, okay? You can see it breaks out, and I'm waiting for the retest right here. Now, the entry is right on the box, guys. Stop loss, look here, the stop loss can be right just under the middle of this box. You're going to take it for 1:4, right? When the risk to ratio is high, you're going to come up profitable long term wise. You're going to come profitable. So this is going to be right there. Okay, guys. As you can see what happened, you go into profits, boom, you enter, no, you enter right over here, goes a little drawdown, and eventually market goes just into some profits right there. You guys see that? Eventually market actually takes you out. Stop loss. However, I'm going to show you guys a winning trade as well, right? This is a simple winning trade that I'm going to show you guys to show you guys his wins and losses. So it's all about you actually following the trade. For example, here we have Wednesday. Look at Wednesday. Wednesday was so beautiful. There's the box, break, retest, and there you go. Clean 1:4. That, do you understand? So there is an example of a clean 1:4. Let's look at NASDAQ. So does it work on NASDAQ? Yes, it works on NASDAQ as well, Trey. So I would recommend, you know what, do lock in one specific pair. It'll be make it much more easier for you guys to follow it. Don't really trade every single one of it. Here you can see the market. I boxed the candle off. If you can't see it, I'll show you guys step by step, just to show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys see here? There we have a nice candle closed. All waiting for is a breakout. There you guys see market breaks out. Now the market's breaking out all to the downside. All you're gonna wait for is a retest, guys. You be patient, patient, patient. Market comes back all the way and gives you a retest right there. You see that there? There you entered. You can see 1:4 is right over here. Stop loss right over there, just over in the middle of the box, and you take it for 1:4. Very clean. Look at that. Super, super, super clean. So how do I get that entry? Again, guys, it's not that hard. Understand the entry is simply based off having the 1 minute candle boxed off, right? Having the 1 minute candle boxed off like that. Okay, wait for the retest on it, wait for the retest on it, right there, bam, and that's your entry. You get what I'm saying? It's gonna be that easy. All you have to do is follow this thing every single day, consistently, day in and day out. Now I'm gonna do a few more examples for you guys, and this is gonna look at again. Please do like this video if you really enjoying it. Please do like it. I would really appreciate it, traders. I'm going to show you guys some of the examples, okay, that I have here for you guys to show you guys that look, it's about probabilities, and if you ensure proper risk management, you have the right mindset, you're going to come up profitable regardless, traders. Regardless, you're going to come up profitable. And that's one thing I can tell you. Look, if you look at it, $3,000 on a $10,000 account is quite a lot, right? Now, let's do some back testing. Okay, let's do some back testing. Back testing. Let's go all the way to the first, which is the third on this one, specifically here. There we go. Now, because of daylight savings, it was first at 4:30, but now it's at 3:30, right? So we're going to go over that Pacific one right now. As you can see right here, market, I'm boxed off. I boxed off the 3:30 candle. 4:30, I mean, specifically. Wait, there we go. 4:30. There we go. Now, again, guys, I know you guys can ask me, hey, Shakil, you did it first on 3:30 and now you're doing it at 4:30. Understand what I'm saying is that there's daylight savings. If you're new to trading, understand what it means is that in New York or in the USA, there's a daylight savings. So they change the clock every certain time of the year. So for instance, March, around 9th of March, they change it to like 1 hour behind, and in around 9th, the 9th of November, they changed it to 1 hour forward. So for instance, right now, this was still when it was at 4:30. But now, currently, right now as I'm speaking, it's currently at 3:30. So you understand what I'm saying? So don't worry about that. If you don't understand, just drop a comment down below. I will answer you and explain it further for you guys. Okay. So you can see there, box it off. They have a clear break, guys. Stops entry right here, stops just under that area right there, and you wait for a clear retest on that, and you're going to take in for a buy. Okay, there we go. There, you guys see that clean entry as it comes, bam, you enter. Right, you can put a buy limit there, and here you can see, look at it, was patiently waiting, and a 1:4 hit, just like that. 1:4 target met. That's the beauty of this thing, guys. That is, again, that's a 4% up. 4% up, traders. 4% up. Now let's do a little bit one more. Let's do a few more. Let me show you guys a few more. Right, this is, remember, I showed you guys, this is the from the results that I showed you on the trade journal, that it's been working. You guys understand, it's been working. You just need to follow it. So let's do a few more examples for you guys. Okay, guys, I'll show you a few more examples. Okay, so here you can see right now we have hoppers for open. There we go. All we're gonna do is from the high to the low, box it off. Okay, wait for clear breakout either to the upside or downside. If it breaks out the box at the top, close at the top outside, then we look for the buys. If it close outside the bottom of the box here, then we're gonna look for a sell. So it's all about where the breakout is gonna be, right, guys? As you can see closely, if you look very nicely, you can see that this candle specifically here actually closed outside the box. Look very nicely. And then all I do is right over here, I get an entry, stop loss right above there. Now again, you're not going to always get such clean entries, guys. You need to be, mindful. Look here, mark comes back, retest is over there. You can see it came all the back in, and it just went all the way down. Now you're going to go for 1:4 traders, or 1:4 minimum. You guys get what I'm saying? 1:4. You place your hold, and you can see already you're at 1:3, around 1:3. Let's check. There we go. And there you go. A clean 1:4 trade. A clean 1:4. So with that being said, guys, it's all about having the eye for it. It's going to come with practice. Nothing's going to come just right off the bat. Again, this is going to be the most easiest that you probably find. But again, guys, it's very highly profitable. But at the same time, it requires focus, discipline. When I say discipline, proper risk management, and the patience to wait for the breakout, the patience to wait for the retest, and the patience to wait for your take profit or stop loss to be hit. That's going to be it, traders. Now, that is a simple example again for a sell. Now, again, guys, like I said, you can go back and backtest it. Here are the results that I have for the entire month of March. As you can see, guys, I've literally closed out a 31% with this methodology, and I want you guys to go back and backtest it for me. And please do drop a comment down below. I will really appreciate it, guys. Or forward test it for the new month. Look, there's a new month ahead right now. A new month. Go test it for an entire month and come back for me. You are gonna come profitable out, traders. It's a very highly profitable strategy. On the other hand, please follow me on Instagram, guys, for more information, as well as join the free group for the free setups as well. And on that being said, guys, don't forget to please like this video. Don't forget as well to subscribe. Again, just don't forget. And with that being said, guys, as a bonus, I'm going to give the first 100 traders access to my journal. All you got to do is actually fill in the form down below, the Google form down below that's in the description. And I'm going to give the first 100 traders access to this journal that you can use for yourself completely free. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. From your mentor, Shakil Samai, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram now, down below in the description. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the free group. Cheers.